Hi all, welcome to Little Talk section. In this video, we're going to see about the Python library series. As the first one, we are going to talk about Matplot library series. Is it possible to plot without a line? Yes, it is possible. So to plot only the markers, we can use the shortcut string notation parameter O, which means rings. The code is same as previous one. So we have the x points and y points. And when we are going to plot plt.plot x points comma y points, we are going to add one ring. So the ring is O, so it will be added at the end, which will make a no line but makes two rings at the starting and end point, which means 1 comma 3 and 8 comma 10. So can we add multiple points instead of just making only 2 points, 6 points and y points? Can we add multiple points? Yes, we can add multiple points, and we just make sure the number of points in both axes. So here in the x points and y points, usually we will give only 2 points like 1 comma 8 and 3 comma 10. So here we are adding like, for the x points we are adding like 1 comma 2 comma 6 comma 8, and the y points are 3 comma 8 comma 1 comma 10. So now the graph will be pointing like 1 comma 3, 2 comma 8, 6 comma 1 and 8 comma 10. We do have one more feature like default x points. So if you are not specifying the points on x-axis, then we will get a default value like 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. depending on the length of the y points. So if we are taking the below example, we can clearly came to know about that. Here I'm not at all giving any x points, so there is no x points. Only have given y points. So the y points are 3, 8, 1, 10, 5, 7. So likewise in the x-axis, just it is taking the default values like 3 with a 0 point, 8 for the 1 point, 2 for the 1 point, 10 for the 5 point, 10 for the 3 point, 5 for the 4 point, and 7 for the 5 points. So it will automatically taking the next steps of the x-axis like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the default points. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Defense. Please subscribe my channel.